Okay, for all of you that's doing the abs challenge, right, these are the 4 exercises, right? You need the correct form, okay? First one is sit-ups, yeah? Fingers in temple. Sit-ups, in the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's sit-ups. Second, crunches. The hands over. Keep the eyes fixed on the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Third exercise, leg raise. Yeah? Do not put your legs down. Keep the legs 6 inches. 2, count at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's leg raise. And the last one, 4, plank. Just hold it. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Hold the position. Here. Straight body. Straight. Hold. That's the 4 exercises, yeah? Every single day. Don't cheat yourself. Fit for life, baby.